Hi there! Same as for Smart Tray, some changes were long overdue here as well for Smart Support. Before, Support Properties function wrote changes directly. Now it shows everything first in a preview table. You can compare old and new values for short and long descriptions. And only after clicking Apply are the changes written. SupportTag works the same way now. It shows a preview for comment and reference fields before writing anything. If you are using a running number, it will also ask for a starting value. Support reference follows the same logic. It calculates the reference from the rule file, then shows the results before applying it. So you can verify everything first. And you can also highlight supports directly in the 3D model from the list by double-clicking on the magnifier icon. SupportList now also shows a preview instead of exporting immediately. From there, you can export to CSV as before, or as a new feature directly to a proper Excel file. There are also some general fixes, and the help menu was updated with more details about this new workflow. Thank you for watching and see you until the next one.